Hey there! Welcome to the video. Today we're tackling a common problem that many data analysts face when working with data frames in Python. In this problem, we have a data frame with multiple columns, and we want to filter out specific values based on different index conditions for each column. It's a tricky problem, but don't worry, we'll solve it together. Let's dive into the solution. The first part of the solution involves creating a dictionary with conditions for each column, specifying the index value and the operation, less than or equal. We then use the operator module to apply these conditions and concatenate the results into a new data frame. Continuing with the solution, we explore an alternative approach using string conditions and the query method in Pandas. By defining conditions as strings, we can easily filter the data frame based on the specified index conditions for each column. The query method provides a convenient way to filter data based on complex conditions in a data frame. Next up, the resulting data frame is displayed, showing only the values that meet the specified index conditions for each column. The nan values represent where the conditions are not met, and if needed, these can be replaced with zeros for better clarity. In the final part of the solution, we take it up a notch by configuring more advanced conditions using the query method. This allows us to create custom conditions for each column, like checking logarithmic values or applying mathematical operations. To summarize, we explored a clever way to filter data frame columns based on different index conditions using Python and Pandas. I hope you found this solution helpful for your data filtering needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!